not a bird sound, Mr. Noodle. That's a fire engine. A fire engine, not a bird.
Not a bird? No, that's not a bird, Mr. Noodle. That sounds like a fire engine. Try again.